So we're talking about a question that we get a lot, and that is, how do I know if my house is in good enough condition to sell on the open market? So we speak to a lot of sellers, and sellers really have no clue. I mean, people tell us my house is in great condition, and we get in there and it's a disaster. And people tell me my house is not in great condition, and it is in good condition. So, how to know if your house is in good enough condition to just put it out on the market instead of selling it to an investor cash buyer? This is something that really can only be determined on a case by case basis. So, um, this is a situation where you might want to call somebody like us and we can come and tell you. I know people feel like we're going to try and take advantage of them, but I can't tell you how many times people have we've gone into somebody's house. They said, "I want to sell it to you," and I tell them, "Don't sell it to us because you're going to leave too much money on the table, and this house is in much better condition than you think, and there are plenty of comparables in the area that sell in this condition for this amount." So you want to let us know what's going on. Make an appointment. We can come in there. There's no pressure, and we can just tell you, listen, this house is in pretty good condition. It's dependent on the condition. It's dependent on a lot of other factors, and it's dependent on the area you're in. And I know people believe, oh, I'm in a high end area, so if my house is dated or needs a lot of cosmetic repairs, that it's a problem. Sometimes it's true, and sometimes it's not. Sometimes there's enough of a market in an area, a high end area, where people want to buy it and knock it down, where people want to buy it and are willing to do the work themselves, where an investor buyer will pay good money for it, fix it up, and then sell it at a profit. It's really on a case by case basis. There's no general rule as to what a condition is needed. What you're going to need for sure to sell it to an end buyer is that everything's functioning. The kitchen has to work, bathrooms, at least one bathroom has to be functioning, the heat has to work, the roof can't be leaking. There can't be anything that makes it unfinanceable. But short of that, when it's cosmetic issues, you need to get somebody to take a look at it. We're happy to take a look at it again, even if you're not selling your house to us, even if you don't list your house with us. We're happy to help you. We'll take a quick look and tell you what we think you can get on the open market, what an investor cash buyer will pay you, and you can make a decision, an informed decision based on that. So, unfortunately, there's no hard, fast rule about what this is. You know, a $200,000 drop in what you can get in the open market, and there are areas where it's a small drop, where it's $50,000. So, it's really a case by case basis, and we're happy to help you if you need any help figuring this out.